Hey, did you know that your body is supposed to be constantly adapting to the environment around it? It does this so that we can survive. The problem is sometimes we bombard ourselves with so much stresses that we don't respond favorably. In fact, we can get stuck with our neurological gas pedal pushed to the floor, and that's a recipe for disaster. Over time, that can lead to exhaustion, anxiety, aches, pains, and if we don't get that foot off that gas pedal and onto the brake, our body will never get into a state of rest, healing, and repairing. Now, because our nervous system controls this gas and brake in our body, when we have a spine that is misaligned or moving improperly, it can affect these nerves that are running these systems. And that can result in less than optimal function and inappropriate responses to that external stimuli that our body should be adapting to. Chiropractic can help with the alignment of the spine, as well as help with its movement so that our bodies can respond and function optimally, as well as adapt the way that they're supposed to.